friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm slowly moving in my car filming studio slash shop, and I want to show you one of the first really important items I had to buy to be able to even start doing something here. I thought these floors are relatively clean, right? But that was a huge mistake to think that way. And what I found out, anytime I kneeled on this floor somewhere doing something or my boot touched it, I was immediately completely dirty. It's like concrete dust or something here. Look, it's on the shoe, it's everywhere. So obviously, I came to the point in my life where I had to buy my first mop. And the mop, it's something what you use every day, obviously, right? Not only after you finish the work, after 8 hours or so, but also it can help you clean like a small spills. So this is actually big mechanic's friend. I never thought that I will be happy buying mop. The only thing which a little bit spoiled it is that I spent like $80 for this setup. It's not cheap. They had in the store cheaper ones, but I know you put a lot of pressure on this mechanism, right? When you are squeezing it. So this one is really great. It seems to be very heavy duty and stable. The other ones weren't, so I went for this one, and I'm pretty sure it will work great. And working at a deal, it was all given to us, so of course it was little shopping adventure, right? There were different heads with different fibers, thinner, thicker, more of them. The weight was different. This is a rayon mop head. This one it's a tiny bit smaller than the biggest one, because this area here is not the biggest one. So I consider that how it will fit there. And let's see together if I did the right choice. I didn't know the mop head is a one word. I will always think it's a two words. It's funny. You are such a mop head! Hey friend, no offense, but my mustache is bigger than yours, bruh. Hello, sir. I heard you are fixing Toyotas. Will you look at my brakes? Now the question is how you install the mop head into this handle. But I think it has something to do with the screw. And sure enough, when you loosen it up, it creates this opening, right? And I don't think there is any other way to deal with it. Pretty self-explanatory. So you put just that middle part right in middle, and you start tightening it, right? Back. Here you can see me slowly tightening it down, right? Everything is centered. I start feeling like a real man. This is super awesome. So I have nicely attached the mop to the handle. So I will go get some water in it so I can pre-soak that mop. And here you go. Let's get some bath mop head. And when you are using it in the car shop, it's always great to put some kind of degreaser in the water, right? And I will say that was enough soaking. So let's see how it will squeeze that mop head. How successful I will be with that. Alright, even better. That's a very, very cool, I like it. And let's see how it will work. Here it comes. First time. Wow. So you watching me, right? You see how many sweeps I did? This floor, it's Absolutely nasty. Do you see it? Both sides, right? And because it was gray, it looked clean, but no freaking way. This is unbelievable. The color of the water confirms it. I just put it there once, right? I did few sweeps only, and I put it once in the water. The water is already dark. That's amazing. Well, I don't want to waste your time, my friend. I will keep cleaning this floor and this shop, because tomorrow I have a Tundra coming for more services. And you can trust me that I will film it all for you and post it on this channel later. So thanks for watching, my friend, and have a wonderful day.